Our adventure kicked off with a bumpy and seriously fun 15-minute speedboat ride from the Gili Islands to Lombo, and trust me, this was just the beginning. Our new driver met us right on the beach and whisked us off towards one of Lombok's most magical spots, Benang Kelambu Waterfalls. Love the trek to the next waterfall by motorbike. As tempting as it is, I wouldn't hear the end of it. Tucked away in the lush jungles of Central Lombok, Kolambu translates to mosquito net. And it's easy to see why. The waterfall is so gentle, it looks like a soft curtain floating from the cliff. These falls are part of the UNESCO-recognized Rinjani Geopark, and we hiked to two breathtaking spots. Sure, you could take a motorbike to the second one, but where's the fun in that? Plus, Nicola would have none of it. Next, we made our way to Mataram, the capital of Lombok, where we visited the city's largest mosque. We were lucky enough to get a mini tour inside, an absolute must-see if you're in town. From there, we headed to our hotel to relax and get ready for another exciting day ahead. Today, we got a real taste of local life. We headed to a pottery store where local people had created some fantastic crafts themselves, and then headed on to a nearby village where women taught us how they weave intricate fabrics by hand. And yes, we got to try it ourselves.
Scarf multi-function. Yeah. But here only we wear for sarung. And this material from cotton. Yeah. Yes, sometimes we make it by ourselves, sometimes we buy the material.
Yes.
Because we grow cotton tree here. Yeah. But now it's like rainy season, cannot grow for the cotton. Yeah, we need dry season.
Go on.
Okay.
Another strong woman.
Another strong woman.
Yeah. Be strong woman.
Yeah. I won't be able to sit like this for an hour.
Nicola, I'm leaving you here.
I do my strong woman.
Later you can marry with the people here. Yes? He had magic hand. Me, I don't have magic hand. I can't do this one. Yeah. Not so strong now, not strong enough. But later, it will be make it little bit stronger. We mix with rice. Like we wash with rice like this for make it stronger. Like the ladies, in the product, she make it by the material by ourselves. Like already we spinning the yarn first. We wash with rice. Like this. Let us with the finish. It will be like this. After that, we dye the color. Yeah.
Then it was off to a quiet beach. Our driver has told us that it won't be staying that quiet for much longer. Developers are eyeing this spot for major resorts, so if you want to see untouched beauty, go now before it's not going to be there any longer. Day 3 brought more rain, but that didn't stop us from exploring Sengiki, the little town near our hotel. There's not a lot going on, but it's still worth a wander if you're in the area. Thank you for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It really is appreciated by us. Leave us a message and we will definitely respond to you, and also hit that like.